Hi guys, welcome squad of champions. In this highlighted video, we will explain learn fraction math the easy way. Let's get into the journey. We have these two fractions 6 over 4 and 8 over 7, and we want to add them. Multiply the first top times the second bottom, so we have 6 times 7, which is equal to 42. Multiply the first bottom times the second top, so we have 4 times 8, which is equal to 32. Now just add those two numbers, so we have 42 plus 32, which is equal to 74. Multiply the two denominators, so we have 4 times 7, which is equal to 28. And that is all. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned.